I've scoped and built agentic projects for a lot of enterprise customers, and I can usually tell in 1 minute whether the project should exist. One question does it: can you write down the steps a person takes to do this today? Then I watch what happens. 9 times out of 10, the customer starts listing steps. First we pull the invoice, then we check the PO, then if the amount is over 10K, they're writing the workflow out loud. And they don't need what they asked for. They asked for an autonomous agent. They need a pipeline with the model doing judgment at 2 or 3 steps. Cheaper, faster, debuggable, done. This is exactly Anthropic's official guidance. Find the simplest solution possible and reserve agents for cases where you can't hardcode the path. OpenAI's guide says the same. If your use case doesn't clearly meet the criteria, a deterministic solution may suffice. But 1 time out of 10, something different happens. The customer stops mid-sentence and says, "It depends on what we find." The steps don't exist until the work starts. Investigations, open-ended research, messy exceptions. That's the only answer that earns real autonomy, because autonomy costs you more latency, more spend, and errors that compound. So that's the whole scoping call. Ask for the steps. If they can list them, workflow. If they say, "It depends," now you build an agent.